Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating and versatile ingredients in modern cooking and food science, agar agar. If you've ever enjoyed a fruit jelly, a vegan dessert, or even seen those elegant molecular gastronomy creations, there is a good chance agar agar was behind it. Agar agar is a natural hydrocolloid derived from red seaweed. In simple terms, it's a plant-based gelling agent that works much like gelatin, only stronger, vegan, and more versatile. Unlike gelatin, agar doesn't melt at room temperature, which makes it perfect for recipes that need to hold their shape even on a warm day. Agar agar has three main superpowers. Gelling. Just a small amount creates firm, clear gels that slice cleanly. Thickening. Add it to soups, sauces, or drinks for a silky body without altering flavor. Stabilizing. It helps keep ingredients suspended so fruit pieces don't all sink to the bottom of your jelly. And the best part, it's 100% vegan and allergy-free, making it suitable for almost any diet. So where do we use agar agar? The applications are endless. In the kitchen, it's used for jellies, custards, cheesecakes, and even modernist spheres. In the food industry, agar helps create dairy alternatives, confectionery, and clear fruit glazes. And in the laboratory, agar is even used as a growth medium for microbiology research. Talk about versatile. Using agar is easy once you know the trick. First, dissolve it in liquid and bring it to a boil. That's important because agar only activates at high temperatures. Once it cools, the liquid sets into a firm gel. The standard ratio is about 1 teaspoon of agar powder to 1 cup of liquid, but you can adjust that depending on how firm or soft you want the texture. At Cape Crystal Brands, we specialize in high-quality hydrocolloids like agar agar, helping chefs, bakers, and innovators bring their creations to life. Whether you're experimenting in the kitchen or developing new products, agar agar is a powerful tool you'll want to explore. Thank you for joining me today. Now, let's get cooking with science.